If you wanted to see all the keyframes you've made in a layer, instead of expanding the whole layer, you can select the layer and press key U. This will show only the properties for which you have applied the keyframes. In case you have a layer with many effects or properties applied and you intend to work on only few properties, then you can solo them instead of scrolling through each of them. You can select the properties you need to focus by pressing Ctrl and left clicking on each properties and then press S twice on the keyboard. This will show only the properties that you have selected, and this would come handy when working on complex projects. In case you wanted to go to the beginning or end of a layer, manually scrolling through them would not give you precise results. Instead, select the layer and then press I key to go to the beginning of the layer and press O key to go to the end of the selected layer. Normally, when we start to work on a composition, we may add many files to the project library, and when we complete the project, not all files will be used in the composition. It is always good practice to do a cleanup by removing the unused files from the project. An easy way to do that is to go to the File menu, then select Dependencies and then select Reduce. This will pop up a message box with the number of unused files removed from the project. Expressions and scripts come handy in numerous ways when working on an After Effects project. A commonly used and easy expression is wiggle. This helps to give a jitter effect to a text or objects. For example, Alt+click the position properties and type wiggle 10, 10. The first number is how many times the object wiggles per second, while the second number is the maximum amount of pixels it will move. For example, if you want more jitter, you can increase the movement value from 10 to 20 and it increases the jitter. If you have a layer with few keyframes applied and later you decide to change the object present in the layer without impacting the keyframes or animations you have already created, then in the project window, find the file you want to replace it with, drag and drop the new object on top of the layer in the timeline while holding down Alt key. This will swap the objects while keeping all the keyframes intact. Apart from what we have seen so far, there are many shortcuts available in After Effects, and here are a few most used shortcuts which would make your work easier. If you wanted to view the position property of a layer, select the layer and press P key. Similarly, if you want to view the scale property, press S key. To view rotation property, press R. To view opacity property, press T. To view mask property, press M. To duplicate a layer, select the layer and press Ctrl D. To split a layer, go to the keyframes where you need to split the layer and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus D. To go to one keyframe forward, press page down, and to go to one keyframe backward, press page up. If you do the same along with Shift key, then you can go forward by 10 frames and go backward by 10 frames.
Hope you found the video useful. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel as we have more videos coming related to photography, videography, CGI and VFX animations. See you again with another good content. Until then, bye.